Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize high contrast mode in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for high contrast mode options? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility menu, and in here we have visibility enhancements, and at the top we have our high contrast modes. High contrast mode. When we tap it, we can see what this preset changes. So dark mode, high contrast fonts, high contrast keyboard, etc, etc. So to apply it, we use apply. Of course, we can pick and choose options that we want. For example, let's say we want animations and we don't want high contrast keyboard, but we want to keep other options, and we can just back out and our changes have been remembered, saved, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.